Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 8 rules to succeed in life. We all want to succeed in life, but sometimes we get lost in the process. So, these rules will guide you on how to achieve success and make the most of your life. Let's get started. Rule 1. Set clear goals. The first rule to succeed in life is to set clear goals. Without a clear goal, you cannot measure your progress or determine if you are on the right track. Your goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Take the example of Elon Musk. His goal was to revolutionize the automobile industry and make electric cars mainstream. His goal was specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. He set a goal to produce 500,000 electric cars in a year and achieved it. Rule 2. Take action. The second rule to succeed in life is to take action. You cannot achieve your goals by just thinking about them, you have to take action. Start with small steps and gradually, you will reach your destination. Oprah Winfrey is a great example of taking action. She started as a news anchor, but she wanted to do more. She took action by starting her talk show, and now she is a media mogul with a net worth of $2.6 billion. Rule 3. Believe in yourself. The third rule to succeed in life is to believe in yourself. You cannot achieve your goals if you do not believe in yourself. You have to trust your abilities and have confidence in your decisions. J.K. Rowling is a great example of believing in yourself. She was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was accepted. She believed in herself and her writing, and now she is one of the most successful authors in the world. Rule 4. Learn from your failures. The fourth rule to succeed in life is to learn from your failures. Failure is a part of life, and you have to embrace it. You can learn from your failures and use those lessons to achieve success. Michael Jordan is a great example of learning from your failures. He was cut from his high school basketball team, but he used that failure as motivation to work harder. He went on to become one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Rule 5. Work hard. The fifth rule to succeed in life is to work hard. Hard work pays off, and you cannot achieve success without putting in the effort. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is a great example of working hard. He started as a professional wrestler and then transitioned to acting. He works tirelessly on his movies and has become one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood. Rule 6. Stay focused. The sixth rule to succeed in life is to stay focused. There will be distractions and obstacles, but you have to stay focused on your goals. Warren Buffett is a great example of staying focused. He has been investing for over 50 years and has remained focused on his investment strategy. He has become one of the richest people in the world by staying focused and not getting distracted by short-term market trends. Rule 7. Surround yourself with positive people. The seventh rule to succeed in life is to surround yourself with positive people. Your success is influenced by the people you surround yourself with. Positive people will encourage you and lift you up when you are down. Bill Gates is a great example of surrounding yourself with positive people. He has always surrounded himself with smart and positive people who have helped him in achieving his goals. He has a close friendship with Warren Buffett, and they both share similar values and goals. Rule 8. Persevere. The eighth and final rule to succeed in life is to persevere. Success is not achieved overnight, it takes time, effort, and perseverance. You have to keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Thomas Edison is a great example of perseverance. He failed over 1,000 times before he finally succeeded in inventing the light bulb. He never gave up and continued to persevere until he achieved his goal. So there you have it, the 8 rules to succeed in life. Remember, success is not achieved overnight, it takes time, effort, and perseverance. Set clear goals, take action, believe in yourself, learn from your failures, work hard, stay focused, surround yourself with positive people, and persevere. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.